Here's a 2014 Toyota Corolla. Go ahead and make a statement that will make you stand out. After all, it's not bragging if it's true. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Corolla, Edmunds.com writes, offers decent performance, a comfortable ride, good gas mileage, user-friendly features, and solid reliability. All things that have made it so popular through the decades. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.